Hey guys, look at Mickey DKG, welcome back to another video. So guys, today I am going to be showing you our thread on Monday, but first we must do our member daily spin. But one thing I don't get at all is that sometimes when I'm playing Animal Jam and I log in every day, I don't always get a member daily spin. It doesn't make any sense, but whatever. I wait for this to finish, and sorry that my game is just so laggy. Um, There's something wrong with my computer. I'm sorry for that cracking. Alright, now let's go check out this Rare Monday. So let's go see if it is in Jamar Township. There we go, Jamar Township. Or in the Jamar Clothing, not Jamar Township. The Jamar Clothing. That's what I mean. The Jamar Clothing. Auctioning clothing, art, and items. Legend. 2D123. Alright. Let me see if I'll be able to buy it. Did it show up? 2D123. 2D123. There we go. Buddy. Are they going to accept my buddy request? Perfect. Alright. Now let's go to Gerard Clothing. I only buddy them just so then I can go to their auctioning, clothing, art den, items, and more at their den, whatever. But yeah. So okay, I can't get through the door. I hate when this happens. Alright guys, so I finally made it in. Alright, let's click on here. See what the Rare Monday is. Where is the Rare Item Monday? There it is! That looks so cool, guys. I'm serious. Look at this. Great. And I don't have enough to buy it either. But, I mean, just look at it. It's so cool. Alright, let me get rid of some stuff in my inventory. But well, I'm not going to get rid of it. But I'm just curious. I'm very, very curious. How much is it? 625. And this 1,175. Holy moly! All right. Let me see what I can get rid of. I can get rid of this mohawk. 90. All right. How much is the DJ headset? All right. Let's see. I don't want the crossbow. I want the alien space helmet. I don't want these one bow. No, I don't want them. Wait. Whoa, that is a lot. Let's recycle. I only recycle. Hold up. How much is that now? Alright. Holy moly. That's a lot. Alright, we're gonna recycle it. Why not? I don't want them. Now, I have 1,663. Wait, how is that possible? I just got ripped off. Whatever. Oh wait, no, I don't want to hang on. We're just gonna go to shop from here. Let's check out this Rare Monday again. Where is this bad boy? Here it is, this rare superhero mask. This looks amazing, guys. To be honest, I really like it. Alright, hold on. Let me get my headdress back on. And let me change into a different animal. Headdress. Change animals. Let me do it on Arctic Fox. I actually really like that look, that's why I'm not gonna do it, and I like the other one too. Let me see, right? Those are the only two I have. No! Alright, I don't know which one. I'm gonna do this one. Why not? Alright, I'm just gonna do it on this one because I can get rid of this one. It's fine. change your look, take off everything, or remove all my items. Let's get this one. Oh no, that's for a raccoon! Darn it! This is the wrong animal. Darn it! Alright, let's change animals again. Raccoon. There it is. I actually also really like this look, but I am going to make sure that I get it back. Definitely make sure of that. Alright. This time, this is the right animal. Let's see. Oh, yes, sisters. Alright, let's see what else. So, we got the head item. Need something either orange, yellow, or blue. Well, I have this and it's orange. Whoa, no way. No way, Jose. Sorry, Mira, but this just isn't for you, sister. Alright, let's see. I think I'm gonna have to go with this. This is like the only thing I can really matches. Nothing else. Wait, what about this? Ah, that is so good, sisters. Alright, let's see for a back item. I don't. Alright, okay. Wait, no, I don't. I don't want that. Alright. Ooh, it's a different color, but it looks really good. Let me look at this. No, no, sisters. This sword looks so much more better. Alright, let's go to the feet. Feet. Let's see. Let's look. Nope. That looks nice. That looks really nice. Alright. And then these scullies. Ooh, yes, sister. Alright. So we're gonna have to do maybe a nice bright blue. Maybe that color. No, see, that's too dark. That's the right color. And then yellow. Oh, whoa, sister. Whoa. I actually really like this. I am not gonna lie, this is really pretty. Orange eyes. Yes, this is perfect, just like this. Oh my god, guys, look at this outfit. I love it. Right. So, not what I wanted to do. But, that's it for today, guys. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!